This is Chris with Dippel Plumbing. We're here at 5247 Chippewa, cabling the lateral sewer. We're unable to get the sewer open from the yard cleanout outside, so we came down to the basement, cabled out 50 feet. We're able to get the sewer open. We are now cameraing from the main waste stack in the basement out towards the yard cleanout. Don't run it though. Now we are cameraing from the main waste stack in the basement towards the yard cleanout located in the front yard. See some roots entering the pipe here. This is cast iron. It does show that there are cracks in the system. Heavy root buildup here. I believe we're in clay at this point. You know, it's just heavy root buildup. Run some water, clear this lens off. There we go. It appears right here. Yeah, that's a 4-inch cast iron, the end of it, and right now we just entered a 6-inch clay line. So we're going to pull the camera back now that we got the sewer open and flowing. We're going to go outside and try to cable back in, see if we can't get the line open and remove some more of this root and debris, and then run a camera in from the outside.